Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I would like to give you updates on latest technologies, and these latest technologies are meant for abroad education. So, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. In the present video, I would like to talk about Python is going to crush. Sometime or another, an article that engages Julia will bode well to incorporate code, tests and tell the best way to use her environment. This is the way you prevail upon designers. With respect to leaders, a researcher questions that theoretical terrorizing is powerful influence. A researcher thinks individuals dispraise the profundity with which Python tackles issues, permitting answers for be brought to any environment or need. From the most costly whole number solvers AWS, GCP, RMS, Azure frameworks, the executives to essential shopping in the container sites up to 1,000. Gone are the days when usability and the capacity to compose code made a difference rapidly. A researcher disagrees with this. It truly relies upon the utilization case. Regularly in information science, composing code rapidly implies breaking down information rapidly. On the off chance that 90% of your trials come up short, the Python mediator parses each line of code at execution time. This mistake can be found in numerous articles and means a shallow information on Python. Python code is parsed and converted into bytecode the first occasion when it is run, and the outcomes are spared in picture documents. This picture document will be utilized rather than Py for resulting runs if no progressions were recognized in. The Python mediator parses each line of code at execution time. That is just off base. This alone dishonors the whole article, which depends on an inaccurate reason at any rate. You like Julia and Swift. All things considered, expound on its benefits, not about the issues you have with Python, FCOL. With respect to the subtleties you notice, indeed, all right, however, perhaps not when you think. The main explanation Python is utilized in information science and logical figuring is that it is so natural to use as a slender deciphered covering around C or C++ or Fortran libraries. Those libraries can do the parallelization. You notice that equal handling is preposterous in Python at concurrent.futures offers it. https docspython.org 3 library concurrent.futures html. On the off chance that you think the explanation Python is prevailing in information science is a result of Google and TensorFlow, you truly don't have a clue that you are discussing. This is simply misleading content. Python was delivered during the 1990s as a universally useful programming language. Regardless of its perfect punctuation, the presentation that Python got in its first decade was dreary and did not generally discover any achievements in the designer workspace. Perl was the programming language of best option, and Julia had set up itself as the benchmark in the field of article arranged programming. Obviously, any language is embraced. It requires some investment to develop, and just when it is more qualified, to an assignment than exciting devices. For Python, that second previously came in the mid 2000s when individuals started to understand that it has a simpler expectation to absorb information than Perl and offers interoperability with different dialects. This disclosure drove more engineers to join Python into their applications. The development of Django inevitably prompted the destruction of Perl, and Python began to acquire force. In any case, it did not have a nearby family to Java and JavaScript, the two of which were fresher than Python, which forward to the present, and Python outperformed Java to turn into the second most mainstream language as per the 2019 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. It was additionally the quickest developing programming language of the earlier decade. Python's accent is in prevalence has a great deal to do with the rise of enormous information during the 2010s, just as improvements in artificial intelligence and man-made consciousness. Organizations desperately required a language for fast improvement with low hindrances to passage that could help oversee huge scope information of logical figuring undertakings. Python adjusted well to every one of these difficulties. Other than having those variables making it, Python will be a deciphered language with dynamic composing support. All the more critically, it was upheld by Google, which had put resources into Python for TensorFlow, prompting its rise as the language of decision for information investigation, representation, and artificial intelligence. Be that as it may, regardless of the developing interest of artificial intelligence and man-made reasoning recently, Python won't be around for long. Like any programming language, it has its own arrangement of shortcomings. These shortcomings make it helpless against being substituted by dialects more reasonable for the regular assignments that organizations ask of them. Notwithstanding the presence of R, the rise of fresher dialects like Swift, Julia, and Rust really represents a more noteworthy danger to the current lot of information science. Rust is yet attempting to find the artificial intelligence people group, which is the reason the researcher accepts that Swift and Julia are the dialects that will boost Python and in the end rule information science. We understand, perceive, and reason why the chances are against Python. Python needs type well-being and is moderate. All that great includes some major disadvantages, and the powerfully composed nature of Python is no exemption. It hampers engineers, particularly when running code underway. Dynamic composing that makes it simple to compose code rapidly without characterizing types expands the danger of runtime issues, particularly when the size of the base code increments. Blunders that a compiler would handily find could undoubtedly go unidentified in Python, causing bottlenecks underway and at last hindering the improvement cycle in enormous scope applications. More regrettable still, dissimilar to incorporated code, the Python mediator parses each line of code at execution time. This makes overhead that causes altogether more slow execution contrasted with different dialects. Julia permits you to maintain a strategic distance from a portion of these issues. In spite of being powerfully composed, it has an ink in the nick of time compiler. The JIT compiler produces the machine code not long before it runs or uses pre-reserved forms, making it similarly as proficient as statistically composed dialects. All the more critically, it has a key component known as different dispatches, which resembles the overhead of OOP work, though at runtime. The intensity of different posts, like in their capacity to deal with various sorts of contentions without the need to make separate capacity names or settle if explanations. This assists with composing reduced code, which is an extraordinary bit of leeway in mathematical count since in contrast to Python, you can undoubtedly scale answers for manage a wide range of contentions. Surprisingly better, Swift is a statistically composed language and is exceptionally streamlined because of its LLVM, low level virtual machine compiler. LLVM permits you to rapidly order into gathering code, which makes Swift very effective and nearly as quick as C language. Moreover, Swift has better memory, security, and board instruments known as automatic reference counting. In contrast to trash specialist, ARC is significantly more deterministic, recovering memory each time the reference tally arrives at zero. A gather dialects that offer short explanations, Swift and Julia are a lot quicker and more hearty for improvement than Python. That by itself may be sufficient to suggest them over the past language, yet there are different variables to consider too. Python has impediments on parallelism. In the event, the gradualness was not Python's most clear disadvantage. The language has restrictions with equal figuring too. So Python utilizes GIL, Global Interpreter Lock, which keeps different things from running simultaneously to improve execution for settling strings. This cycle is a major obstacle since it implies that designers can't utilize different CPU centers for escalated figuring. The researcher concurs with the regular idea that we are as of now doing admirably by exploiting Python's interoperability with C language or C++ libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. In any case, a Python compartment does not take in care of all troubleshooting issues. At last, while reviewing the low-level code behind, we go to C and C++. Basically, we can't exploit Python's qualities at the level which takes it good and gone. This factor will before long assume a conclusive part of the ruin of Python and the ascent of Julia and Swift. Julia is a language planned solely to address the weakness of Python. It principally offers three highlights: coroutines, non-concurrent assignments, multi-threaded and dispersed registering, all of which just show the colossal prospects of concurrent and equal programming. This structure makes Julia ready to perform logical figures or figurings and take care of large information issues a lot quicker than Python. Then again, Swift has all the fundamental apparatuses to create versatile applications and generally approves of equal registering. Quick and Julia have interoperability with Python and solid help for them. Notwithstanding its speed, multi-threading, and type-safe drawbacks, Python actually has a tremendous environment with an enormous arrangement of libraries and bundles. It is justifiable that Swift and Julia are still children in the artificial intelligence field and own a set number of libraries. Notwithstanding its interoperability with Python more than compensates for the absence of library uphold in Julia and Swift. Julia not just permits developers to utilize Python code and the other way around, yet additionally bolsters interoperability with C, R, Java and practically all significant programming dialects. This flexibility would unquestionably give the language and decent lift and increment its odd of quick appreciation among information researchers, which then again furnishes Python interoperability with the PythonKit library. Quick's greatest selling point, which has its sources in Apple, is solid help it has gotten from Google, who completely upheld Python many years back. Look how the tables have turned. Moreover, the way that Swift's make Chris Latner is presently chipping away at Google's computerized reasoning group just shows that Swift is as a rule genuinely prepared to supplement Python in the field of artificial intelligence. The TensorFlow group that put resources into Swift with their S4TF venture just shows that a language is not seen basically as a Python covering, rather Swift, because of its differential programming backing and its capacity to work at a low level like C, will possibly be utilized to supplant the hidden profound learning instruments. If the video is interesting for you, please like my channel, subscribe, comment and share. I wish you all the best for abroad education, for the latest technologies, and may God bless you. Wish you all the good success.